भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम के साबिक कप्तान मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन भी भारत की नो हैंडशेक पॉलिसी पर बोल पड़े। उन्होंने भारतीय खिलाड़ियों की हाथ ना मिलाने की पॉलिसी को समझ से बालातर करार दे दिया और कहा कि जब मैच खेलने पर राजी हैं तो हाथ मिलाने में क्या मसला है, खेलकर एहतजाज करने का कोई जवाब नहीं।
No, I think it was. I feel that there was nothing wrong in shaking hands, But when you're playing the match, then you might as well play with everything, like shake hands or whatever. But I don't know what the problem was. I really cannot understand. But I think I don't feel there was anything wrong to shake hands. When you're playing in protest, but you might as well not play. There's no point playing under protest. What is the use of playing under protest? To be very honest, once you have agreed to play, when you said that we won't play against Pakistan in the bilateral, but we'll play in the ICC Championships and then again in the Asia Cup. So you might as well play with full this thing. Otherwise, I don't think there was any need to play under protest.